Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create Facebook Reels. So it's a pretty easy thing to do. So let me head over on Facebook. And once you are there, just tap on the three lines on the top right. And in here, go to your profile. And from here, scroll down. And here you will find the option of Reel. Tap on Reel. And in here, just select any picture or photo you want or any type of video. Let's say this one. So here tap on next, and here you can just describe your reel or give any hashtag or captions in here. And you can also tag people, share it on Instagram, choose its privacy time, and do some more settings. And once you're okay with it, just tap on share now. And as you can see, my reel is currently getting uploaded, and once it will be done, yeah, then the reel will be posted. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.